A package from told you the card. Ciate London. Can't envision nothing else. Need you right now. Need you when I feel down. Hello everyone, happy Saturday and happy New Year. So I'm really sorry I did not have a video up last weekend. I got kind of thrown off because of the holiday travels. We ended up having our flight delayed until like the next day and being stuck in Atlanta. It was horrible, but I lost like a whole day that I was gonna have that week to be able to film for my Saturday video. So unfortunately, I was not able to do it. So I'm really sorry about that, guys, but I hope you guys are all having a great start to 2023. Right now, what I am doing as a little update, I am decluttering my home. I have been wanting to do this for so long, and I am now just making it a priority. And the first room that I wanted to tackle was the girls' room. And I just finished that today. It took me forever because I had to work between nap times and bedtimes, and then also having the girls on the weekend. I can't declutter a room or organize a room if I've got two little ones with me. It's just way too hard. So thankfully Ross helped me out a little bit there on the weekend. But I finally finished and I am so happy. It feels so good. I've got piles and bags of clothes outside, so I am ready to go through those. I'm going to organize them, probably donate, maybe even start a Poshmark. I'm still deciding on that, to sell some of the stuff that maybe still has tags on it. But yeah, so there's quite a bit there, you guys, but I feel so good. The next step, and I filmed it, so this is going to be a video, so stay tuned. I actually am debating, I'm trying to think of things. I'm debating on putting it on Life of Maddie, just to kind of maybe leave the mom and lifestyle stuff over there and do the beauty. I'm all over the place. It's just so hard because I built this channel strictly beauty, so then my lifestyle content doesn't do as well over here, unfortunately, because of my audience is different, and it sucks. I really would love to get down to one channel, but I think it's just I'm just not gonna be able to do it. So I'm debating on just putting it over there on Life of Maddie. Let me know in the comments down below. What are your guys' thoughts? Because I am lost on it. I just don't know what to do at this point. And the next thing is that I'm going to be doing is decluttering this beauty room. This beauty room I'm going to tackle is going to be a huge chore. I cannot wait to do it though and feel a lot less clutter in here. It will probably make me want to film more as well, just to be in a less cluttered space. And then after that, we will be tackling my Harry Potter closet, which is ginormous, and I have not fixed that thing in years, and it's really bad. So yeah, this is gonna take me weeks, but I'm filming the whole thing because this is what my priority is going to be. And I really like organization videos. I really like decluttering videos. I feel like it's very motivating, and I know a few of you guys in my DMs have said that you love them as well. So it works out. You guys can see me clean up my life, make things organized again, get a lot of the crap out, and just feel good again. So yeah, it's just crazy. It's like you work a lot better when there's less clutter. So anyways, that was my long intro. Got a few packages behind me back here that we are going to open up, and let's just go ahead and get on into it. All right, so I had to grab the Drunk Elephant package first because I can spot those packages a mile away, and I love Drunk Elephant. I've been using their retinol, and oh my gosh, I have seen such a difference in my skin. I did it for about, I think, 2 days in a row. I took a break last night, and then I'll probably use it again tonight. You really want to work your way up on it. But before that, I would do it like once a week or twice a week and just work my way. So I've seen a huge change, so I'm loving it. And I have been really excited to try out this product right here. This is their new Bouncy Bright Facial. It's a mask. It's to correct and clarify. So what this is going to do is it's a radiance boosting leave-on mask, delivers a supercharged shot of 10% isalicic and 1% salicylic acid deep into the skin to clarify uneven tone, fade stubborn spots, and reduce the look of redness, revealing a brighter, bouncier, more even complexion. A triple antioxidant brightening complex targets dark spots, hyperpigmentation, visible signs of photo damage, and post-acne marks to promote dramatically more radiant and clear looking skin. So this would be really good if you have acne, if you have any spots, even for like after you have a child. Like I notice I still have a little bit of dark spots like right here. I noticed it actually last night. And when you get pregnant, sometimes you have melasma that pops up, and sometimes it goes away, sometimes it lingers. Stuff like this is actually really good to use to help get rid of that melasma. So I am really, really excited to try this guy out. So pumped. I've seen a lot on it too, and it's in the same packaging that the baby facial's in. So I love that. They also sent over a huge Rubik's Cube. I don't think I'll ever be able to figure this thing out, but it would be cool if I could. But that is very, very neat. So thank you so much, Drunk Elephant. I appreciate it. I cannot wait to try it out. All right, so next up is a package. I'm not sure from who because there's no card in it, but we have an assortment of different products in here. So first off, we have the Green Tangerine Vita C. This is from Caudalie. I've heard of Caudalie. I've worked with Caudalie in the past. Really good products. So they sent over that. We also have the Dermabee Daily Moisture Body Lotion here. Then we have the Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This is an SPF of 50. Ooh, replenishes moisture and no white cast too. So that is a sunscreen. That would be really good. Then we have the Haru Haru Wonder. This is a black rice hyaluronic toner. It's the first essence. This is for sensitive skin. I've also really been enjoying the essence from Tatcha. I've been using that one too. Then we have the Madagascar Centella. This is Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum. Oh, this is interesting. It's SPF of 50, moisturizing care. It's an unscented sunscreen and super lightweight and hydrating and quickly absorbing with non-greasy or dewy finish. I like that. I want to try that out. Then we also have the Cotton Soft Sun Stick. So they sent us over a lot of sun sticks. This one, I love the sticks, which is great. And this would actually even be good for the kids too. So this is awesome. So thank you so much to whatever company sent this to me. There's no card or anything, so I'm not sure who it came from, but I appreciate it. Okay, so the next one is from Ofra Cosmetics. I love them. And I actually was hearing about these new concealers as well when I went to go visit their labs. It was so much fun. So when I did the collab with them back in like 2018, 19, when I was pregnant with Riley, we were talking about doing a factory tour and having me go out to Florida and stuff. And they always said, like, if you're ever in Florida, come out, like, we'll give you a tour. And I just never made it out there. I think it was because I was so far along in my pregnancy. It was just like too hard to fly at that point. I was so swollen with Riley, and I think it was all the travel. And so I never got to do it, but I went to Florida to go visit Ross's family recently. And they live very close to the labs, which is amazing. So when I was on the plane, I was like, I'm going to text Corrine and I'm going to see what she's up to and actually go and see the Ofra labs, which was amazing. I actually filmed a bunch of things. I'm going to make a reel out of it. I just haven't had yet to like be able to take the time to sit and edit it yet, but I plan on doing that. So I learned about the concealers, which you guys, their labs are so cool. Like they developed a lot of the robotics and the machines that do to make the products. Like I didn't even know about that, but it's amazing. So I think she said there's a video maybe on their channel. If I can find it, I'll link it down below, but it's so interesting, so awesome. Love Ofra. So yeah, anyways, new concealers. These are the Perfect Cover Concealer. They have 14 shades. Here are the shade colors right here, so you guys can take a look at them. I'm super stoked to try these out. Packaging looks like all the different shades. Absolutely amazing. Kinsley is just going like cray. She is so cranky today, you guys. I don't know. I think she's got molars coming in. She's so cranky. Like, oh my God. It was a meltdown when I was dropping Riley off at school this morning. It was bad. It was so bad. But anyways, they sent over also the Perfecting Puff. This is an awesome beauty sponge, you guys. Check this one out. I like it because it feels a lot like the Beauty Blender does. So we've got different shades here. So I am going to go to, thinking light warm. Let's see. Do I have Fair Porcelain? Yes, I do. Ooh, Fair Porcelain is going to be too fair for me. What's the next one? Maybe Fair Ivory. This is what the packaging looks like right here. Oh yeah. I think it just looks lighter in the packaging. There we go. I love using a brightening concealer. I feel like it really helps brighten up the face, gives you a more youthful look. So these types of shades, like I love to go lighter. So I can't wait to try these out underneath the eyes. So this one I think is actually gonna be way too light for me when I'm self-tan. I'm gonna have to go up to another shade. I'm thinking maybe natural. Let me go into natural real quick. Oh yeah, natural's it. So that one, you can still see it's still light, but it will help blend into the skin. I can't wait to try these out. Feels really good too. So I'm super stoked about these. Can't wait to try it out. Thank you so much, Ofra, for sending this over. I'll give you guys an update. I'm actually going to be doing some like little grim stuff over on TikTok. I just did a get unready with me of using some skincare products. So make sure to go check that out. And I think I'm going to do some like testing of makeup over there. So make sure to follow me on TikTok. It's _lifeofmaddy_. I have it linked down below too. All right, so next up, this is really cute. Bare Minerals sent over a package and oh, we got another concealer, you guys. This one has an SPF of 25 in it. It's Complexion Rescue Brightening Concealer. This is brand new. It's what they've all been waiting for. Inspired by the #1 tinted moisturizer, this ultra lightweight hydrating formula includes an anti-fatigue complex with caffeine to depuff and energize the under eyes. Oh, I like that, which is why we've got like a whole like coffee theme to this because it has caffeine in it. They sent over a little tin. They sent over 3 shades here. We have medium natural pecan, medium wheat, and medium suede. I don't know about these. Like how I said to you guys, I use lighter. It comes out like this, so it's gotta be thicker, right? Oh, this might work. This might work when I'm self-tan. Yeah, this one will work. Here, let me pull out a little bit more. This one is called medium wheat. Ooh, I pulled up too much. It's got more of a moussier texture. It feels really nice. Definitely a little bit goes a long way. I put up too much, but yeah, I think that will work. Yeah, I think that will work for me. We'll test it out and see. But it's a little one, so this one goes a long way. I would actually like recommend taking like a little dot and then like putting it there and maybe using a beauty blender to help blend it out. But this will be fun to try out. So we've got some to try out, you guys. Got some concealers, and I love concealers, so I'm totally good with it. So I will let you guys know how those ones work out for me. Okay, so next up we have a package from Bring the Salon Home Kiss. This is the Falscara.com. So it looks like we've got some new falsies. Okay, if you love doing the wispies, these are great. Check these ones out. I actually think I'm gonna save these for my sister because she loves to do the wispies. This is all she'll wear. She does like the single lashes. And then there's this one too with this whole set. And there are also wispies in here. They're also like all disconnected, which is great. She likes to just put them on the outer corner of her eye and it looks beautiful. We have the Lash Extensions Effect. This is Apply Thin Line Under. Oh, this is, oh wait, Overnighter? Wait. Lash Extensions Effect secures Falscara wisp up to 10 days, just like lash extensions. Oh my God, that's so cool. Oh, so you place it and you bond it. So these are like, you know, like Lashified like thing, right? How they look like you could do it at home lash extensions. That's what this is. And then they sent over the remover. So neat. So it's cool that Kiss came out with something like this. Let's check out what's in this box right here. I have lash extensions. I'm actually leaving here in like 30 minutes to go to my lash appointment. Mine are like, that's why I don't have, like usually I would put on like something in the crease, like an eyeshadow, but I'm literally gonna run to my my lash appointment. I wasn't able to make it last week because of the whole flight debacle. So I like, they're so sparse right now. They're just so uneven. Oh my God. I love this mirror. Is perfect for travel. This is perfect for travel. Oh my goodness. You guys see this? If I can link this mirror down below, I'm going to try to find it. Maybe they sell it and I will link it for you guys because I've been traveling a lot lately and I've been really like wanting to find something like smaller and condensed to put into a carry-on or whatever, and that's perfect. This is amazing. So that's great. Sorry, I'm so excited about the mirror. But these look really cool. I'll actually see if my sister wants to try them out. Maybe she can give me an update on them because she's really good with that stuff. And I have lash extensions already, but these are neat. So it's cool to see that Kiss is coming out with something like this. So if you've been wanting to try Lashify, and if that one's a little bit more expensive, this is definitely less expensive. Give this a go. This is awesome. So, and you can get it at falscara.com. So I will have it linked down below for you guys. All right. So next up for Skin Proud, we have some products. We've got their 2-pack reusable washable sponges. These are great to clean your face with. Then we have their Detox Tonic here, which is an exfoliating tonic. We also have their Sleep Hero, which is an overnight sleeping mask, and their Icicle Cooling Eye Serum Stick. Okay, so next up we have a package from, totally through the card, Ciate London. So they sent over a few of their products. They sent over the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint in Watermelon. Have I used this before? I feel like I don't think I've seen this before. Oh my goodness. I know that like bright pink is so scary for people, but it is so pretty. Watch, you're going to see it sheer out. Oh my God. And it smells like watermelon too. It smells amazing. So you see just how pretty that is. That is just gorgeous for the summertime. Just like when you have like nothing on, you just want to add a little bit of flush to your cheeks. This is really pretty. We also have their Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer here. And their Bamboo Bronzer. Have I seen this? Probably I have. I just probably don't remember. Oh, that looks really pretty too. We're going to try that out. I like that. And then we also have this Cranberry 9 eyeshadow. I have a feeling these are not going to be my colors. I'm not into the pinks and stuff. Oh no, it's actually really pretty. We've got some colors in here that I would use. I love the neutrals, and then I love this gold right here. I think that is really pretty as well. But this one I'll probably save to give away because like I said, I am decluttering, you guys. I am decluttering this makeup room. I try not to swatch anything. If I have something similar to it, I try to give away. So we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways here. I'm actually thinking about getting like an intern to help me out with giveaway boxes and mailing stuff out. So that way I could be more timely with everything. And I can have someone help me like package up the boxes and stuff like that too. So that is what I'm working on, trying to get my life in order. My life is just crazy right now. But I feel like once I declutter the space, it gets more help. I think it'll be easier. I think it's just that you just, as a mom, like I'm a single mom, a working mom, I'm trying to do everything. I have my business. I'm taking care of the 2 little ones on my own. So it's really, really tough. And I think I'm just like got so much going on. And I think once we declutter again, like, and I get some help and start like really time managing, I think it's going to be a little bit better. So we're going to see how it goes. This is my goal for 2023, is just to get life in order. Okay, so next up we have a package from Caudalie. I love Caudalie. I love their stuff. So we have their Pores and Glows Duo. Oh my gosh, I love this mask. It's called Vinergetic C+. It's amazing. And then also their spray, which is also really, really great. And then they sent over, put that down there. They sent over this little gift set right here. This one retails for $79, has a $115 value in it. It is their brightening solution. So it prepares, visibly brightens, and evens. So you get their essence, their serum, and then also their moisturizer in here. So this is also really cool. So I love that. Thank you so much, Caudalie, for sending those over. This little duo, this little set right here, definitely a must-have too. This one is $22 and has a $28 value to it. All right, so last but not least, you guys, we have a package from Lanolips. They sent over their 101 Gold Collection. So it's these guys right here. And these are their balm and tint for dry and dull lips and cheeks. So you can use these for the cheeks as well. We also have their tinted lip balm right here. I love Lanolips. Their stuff is really, really good. It's very, very moisturizing. And then we have their lip water collection here. So you guys can take a look at this one too. This is their Super Luxe lip water collection. It looks like a glowing gloss and hydrates like a serum, and 3 glowing shades enhance your own lip color. So these are really pretty too. So thank you so much, Lanolips, for sending these over. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy this PR unboxing. I'm so sorry we did not have one last Saturday, but we will be back on schedule. We've got a lot going on. Stay tuned. This is going to be a good year. I'm excited. Let me know, what is your guys' 2023 resolutions? I would love to hear what you guys are kind of focusing on this year as well. And yeah, I will see you all in my Tuesday video. Bye.